Let me take a minute of your time to tell you about a wonderful lady named Wanda Parker. She's a third grade teacher at Arlington Elementary School, and she teaches all subjects. She is very caring. She loves her students and shows them that she cares by making their learning fun and rewarding. She will go above and beyond to show how to do an assignment. She makes sure that each student gets the same amount of her time. She is concerned about all of her students. She works hard every day. She makes sure to have Google Meets with them twice a week. This allows her to go over anything that they may be struggling with. She's there for her parents as well as her students. She creates things that bring her students into learning. She wants them to have fun but yet still learn. She creates PowerPoints and videos to help them with their learning. Her talent is endless. Ms. Parker, she is a teacher that has and will continue to seek what is best for her students. This challenge of COVID-19 has not stopped her from being an even better teacher than before. She has put her whole heart into loving her babies and making sure they are continuing to get the best out of their education. These are just a few of the qualities that she portrays each and every day. She will continue to do what is best for each one of her students and her parents, as well as Pascagoula School District.